junior officers to embark Ro-Ro cargo ships with Italian flag. 37,000-ton ships trading around Europe. Is the biggest European family ship owner with the Ro-Ro passenger ships. Is 22 Ro-Ros, 55 passenger ships. Now we are looking for those junior officers, European, that have a couple of contracts as a junior officer, either the engine or the deck. We are starting 3,300, 3,400 net euro. As you know, Italian social security, 2 years on board equals 2 years unemployment, and you have the pension and you have equality. If you are a woman thinking about the big company where you can have a lot of women on board, it is an Italian flag, so you have also all the rights. After 2 years, you become employed directly by the ship owner, and so it is a huge competitive advantage if you're planning a career within shipping and you are on board a cruise ship with no social security, no stability, not employed by the ship owner for the long-term promotion. And then you also have these ships that are trading around Mediterranean water. So if you are now on board North Sea, people that never smile, that's not healthy. You can sail Italian flag, Italian food, and be happy. Life is happy. And so this is a great opportunity for you to change towards social security, like a subscribe pass through all the groups of these youngster European officers that we have available today. English is not required as a main language, it's Italian. We have Italian basic language. That's why the wage to start, it is really low. It's one of the lowest of the market because you need to show on board the competence in the Italian side, imagining the engine, you have to read all these manuals and so on. Therefore, thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe. Think about your career long term, because having a pension when you retire or staying close to your family is very important for all of us, and very nice weather, very nice professional Italian crew and the family ship owner. And Candina also is a family, 4th generation fighting for the 5th generation. So if you're thinking long-term social security, European flag, think about the Candina and think about applying today. Like and subscribe. Pass through all the groups of LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Instagram and Facebook and so on, because this is a huge opportunity, and then we can get closer home and all with social security. Thank you. Bye.